Hey guys, Jaden with Vidor Garage Door here. Come take a look at our showroom with us. Here we have our pull-out wall. This features over 50 doors of varying colors and designs. You can feel every door to make sure you feel confident in your choices of design, texture, and color. Over here in the corner, we have a wide selection of openers that vary from least expensive to most expensive, helping you choose what opener is right for your door. Here we can help you make the selection between a belt or chain drive, a side mount or trolley motor. Help find the selection that's best for you and your home. Welcome to our design center. Here we help you understand the makeup of your door and build your door from the ground up. Everything from color selection and designs is done here. Thanks for coming to visit our showroom. Schedule an appointment with your sales rep if you're actively working with one, or just stop by. There's always someone here and we'd love to have you. Thanks for coming and checking out Vidor Garage Door. See you guys next time.